Hi everyone! Today we will be making a pinless paper pinwheel. Since there are no sharp objects being used to keep the pinwheel fastened, this project is safer for young ones compared to using a pin or thumbtack. For today's craft, you will need the following: a glue stick to help fasten the pinwheel together, a hole puncher, a pair of scissors, remember to be mindful of kids, a straw, this could be a great way to reuse an old straw, and a rubber band, which will act as a stopper to keep the pinwheel in place. Finally, on our website you can select the template used in today's video, or select a blank template and customize it however you'd like. So let's get started. If you like the template used in today's video, feel free to download it from our website using the link below, where you will also find other great DIY crafts to try. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, click the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos, and we'll see you in the next one.